doing a self-made video. I'm out here in the Brussels sprouts, so I wanted to show you what they look like in case you might be interested in some seconds. So, we're in the Brussels sprout field, and it has been the perfect storm for alternaria to prosper in our Brussels sprouts. We had 4 inches of rain in 1 week, followed by really warm temperatures, and that is just breeding grounds for alternaria. And how that manifests itself on the Brussels sprout is with some discoloration. So here is a stalk, and normally what we do, we grow these all for the Lake Winds Food Co-op, and so really high standards for grades, and a lot of these Brussels sprouts will not make the grade, unfortunately. We have an acre of Brussels sprouts, which was supposed to, I wanted to show you the stalk and examples of what I would consider a second and what I wouldn't consider a second. Normally what we do is we start harvesting from the bottom, and each time we harvest, we'll harvest like a 6-inch section, and we'll harvest these all the way into October. So here at the top, these guys they're still disease free, and my hope is that by taking off the diseased ones, the rest, these ones will size up and be ready for higher standard markets. But examples of ones that I would send would be like this. So they definitely have some of the alternaria, and we just pluck them off by hand. And an example of something I wouldn't send would be this. I would not send this. There's a wet spot there, and you can even just rub it off with your finger. But primarily just looking at these sorts of sprouts. So I'm just going to put a few in my hand so you can get an idea for size and what they look like. Normally we sell them for $4.50 a pound, and I was thinking $2.50 a pound would be reasonable for us to spend the time. It's one of our most labor-intensive crops to harvest. But anyway, as you can see, we have a lot of Brussels sprouts, this whole field, and we also have another field over there. And we'd love to move some sprouts for you if that works.